Hey guys, I'll be going over two matcha drink recipes today, a blueberry matcha and a regular matcha milk tea. First, you'll need some sugar, blueberries, matcha powder, and milk. I personally prefer oat milk for the taste and it helps keep it vegan friendly. We're going to start by preparing the blueberries. We use about 3 to 4 ounces of blueberries and add a tablespoon of water to help it blend a little better. I would recommend blending for 5 to 10 seconds. Once you're done blending, you can put the blueberries to the side as we'll be using it later when we put the drinks together. For matcha powder, we use Junbis. They are high quality and properly sourced. Add in 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. Now you might be wondering, why are they scooping twice? Don't be fooled, that's actually half a teaspoon. Pour in 4 ounces of water. Use your matcha whisk to mix thoroughly. There are proper ways of using the whisk, but hey, as long as you get the powder to fully dissolve in the water, I think you're doing great. Once you're done, add in 2 teaspoons of sugar and mix again until the sugar is fully dissolved. Now if you don't have a matcha whisk, you can use any container with a lid instead. We're using a small mason jar, so add in your matcha powder, your 4 ounces of water, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Close the lid, and yep, you guessed it, we're gonna be shaking this until the sugar and the powder dissolves. Some of it can get stuck to the jar, so you need to make sure that you shake very thoroughly. Are you ready? Now we'll put the drinks together. Fill a cup with some ice to start and add 2 tablespoons of your blended blueberries. Next, you'll add in your matcha. You might notice some matcha stuck inside of your container. Don't worry, you'll need to add in an additional 4 ounces of water anyways, so you can just pour that water into your container and swish it around. Lastly, you'll add 2 tablespoons of your milk. Now if you really don't like milk, you don't have to add this part. However, I just think the milk helps combine the components of the drink together better. Once you're done, get a straw and stir until everything is fully mixed. And this is your blueberry matcha milk tea. For the regular matcha milk tea, you will use the same matcha mix of 1 teaspoon matcha powder and 4 ounces of water. However, now you will add 6 ounces of milk instead. All that's left to do is get a straw and stir. I hope you've enjoyed my simple matcha drink recipes. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.